Yo, what's going on, guys? It's WildGoatFX here, and today I'm going to be talking about the best ways that you can start day trading as a beginner on Robinhood or TD Ameritrade. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is look on Robinhood and look up upcoming earnings and make sure these stock trends are green for like the last month. So Adobe looks good, Kroger looks good, Len looks good, Henkel looks good, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to want to do is just make sure you know when the ER is. So for FedEx, my alert room's playing FedEx for this one, but because their earnings is coming up and they said they're reporting good earnings. So we're going to play them. It's on Tuesday after hours. So what you're going to want to do as a new day trader, you're going to want to get in options for the same week as the ER. And you can do it, up to like 3 to 5 strikes out. It doesn't matter. Or you can do debit spreads on it. It doesn't matter. But usually on an ER play, stocks tend to run up before earnings. So we look at FedEx. It's up 6% for the week. For the month, 18%. So as a beginning day trader, what you're going to want to do is go on Robinhood, or there's a website called Earnings Whispers. Let's just refresh the page. I haven't been on here in a while. You're going to want to go over and check what ERs are coming up. You just click this, you click the calendar, and it will tell you the day. So Monday, there's nothing in the morning after hours. And it will tell you if they're going to beat or not. I mean, it's not accurate completely, but it does give you some vital information that would help you out in the future. If you look at Tuesday ER, the only big play is Adobe and FedEx. Now, FedEx and Adobe, they got some good beats. The growth is up. So what you would want to do is get in these stocks either the day of or the day before and ride the trend and then sell right before earnings comes out. Don't hold through earnings. I think holding through earnings is stupid. But as we can see, Adobe's been down because of the stock market. You're going to want to look at previous earnings. And then if they run up before ER, you're going to want to get in, hold, and then close right before ER happens. That's what we're doing for FedEx. We're planning on closing Tuesday before market close. This is just a good strategy for new traders. If you're looking to make, a quick, 30 to 50% gains in the stock market, this is the best way to do it. I hope this helped you. And if you're looking to get in my alert room, check the link in the description. It's $25 a month, and we go about 12 to 24 alerts per month. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a great day. Peace out, guys.